So I think I might have left it. It's got my timer in it, my electric timer in it.
What are these?
It's a Craig.
Yeah.
That's Eddystone 1917.
Ah, so World War I stuff.
Yeah.
Very cool. Target change time. Right now it's about 9:30. There's only about 10 guys here. And maybe 15. I think the weather's keeping some guys away. They're missing all the fun.
Position. You can fire 10 shots into a target. You can have 4 targets up there. We will change targets in approximately 15 minutes. I will troop the line. I will make sure everybody is clear. Put in 10 shots into each target. On the target, make sure you put your name, you put the rifle you used, and the number of the event.
Yeah, pull it back a little and then
Aim for the upper right, upper top. Upper right. Lower target. Upper right, lower target.
Remember, if you're going to enter a target, clip it to the right number.
Guys, the range is cold still. Please step behind your line.
this is like what, $10?
Yeah.
To pay now?
Yeah, you didn't sign in yet.
So right now it's 10 after 10. So stand. The next target change is going to be at 10:25. 10:25. All right, shooters away from the bench.